Quick question. When you close YouTube and open it again tomorrow, how does it still know it's you? You didn't type your password. And here's the wild part, the server isn't keeping a file on you either. The whole secret is a tiny piece of text sitting in your pocket right now. It's basically a digital ID card, and you're carrying dozens of them. Here's something weird, websites forget you instantly. Every time you click a button, the server treats you like a complete stranger. Imagine a waiter who forgets your face the moment he turns around. You'd have to reintroduce yourself for every single refill. That's literally how the web works under the hood. So engineers needed a trick to make websites remember you, without asking for your password on every click. The first solution was called a session. Think of a coat check at a club. You hand over your coat, get a numbered ticket, and the club keeps a list of which ticket matches which coat. Websites did exactly that, they kept a giant list of everyone who's logged in. And it works fine, right up until millions of people show up, and the club drowns in paperwork. JWT, short for JSON Web Token, flips the whole idea. Instead of the venue keeping a list, they strap a wristband on you at the gate. The wristband itself says you paid, what areas you can enter, and when it expires. Security guards just glance at your wrist. No list, no lookup, no paperwork. The proof travels with you. That's a JWT, your identity, carried in your own pocket. A JWT is just a long piece of text, split into 3 chunks separated by dots. Think of it as a sealed letter. Part 1 says what kind of letter it is. Part 2 is the message itself, your user ID, your role, and expiry time. And Part 3 is the seal. That seal is where the real magic happens, because it makes the entire thing tamper-proof. Back in the day, kings sealed letters with wax, stamped by a ring only they owned. If the seal was broken or looked wrong, the letter was fake, simple as that. A JWT's signature works the same way. The server stamps the token using a secret key that only it knows. Change even one letter inside the token, and the seal no longer matches. Instantly busted. So here's the full flow. You type your password once, like showing your passport at a hotel desk. The hotel checks it, then hands you a keycard. From then on, you just tap the card. Same online, every time your browser asks for something, it shows the token. The server checks the seal, sees it's valid, and lets you in. Your password never has to travel again. Fair question, if the token equals your identity, couldn't a thief just use it? That's exactly why tokens expire fast, like a day pass at a gym. Steal one, and it's often useless within minutes or hours. Apps also send tokens over encrypted connections, so snooping is nearly impossible. And remember, a thief can't edit the token to extend it, because that would break the seal. Once you know about JWTs, you'll spot them everywhere. Logging into Google, streaming Netflix, opening your banking app, there's a very good chance a token is riding along with every single tap. It's one of those invisible inventions, like barcodes, that quietly runs the modern world. So next time a website just knows it's you, you'll know the trick, a tiny, sealed, digital ID card. So that's JWT, a festival wristband for the internet. If tokens finally clicked for you, hit like so YouTube shows this to more curious people, and subscribe so you don't miss what's next. Speaking of passwords, next video, I'll show you why websites never actually store your password. Sounds impossible, right? See you there.